Poppin' YouTube, it's your boy Retro. I'm back with another reaction. Nah, it's a reaction. Well, the video from Slither, the video clip from Slither. I don't know if y'all know. It's a scary movie. I seen this movie like when I was young, but I don't remember it too well. Right here, called Birds and the Bees. The thumbnail looked crazy. The thumbnail looked crazy. Hey, it's a boy from The Walking Dead.
Damn, girl. You are chocolate.
Look at that baby. Crazy. Yeah, look at that. That thing crazy as fuck. Like, what the fuck you got going on?
Maybe you was dead after the other man.
I am dead. Don't I look it?
I bet he drive. He look like he driving them white vans
You're
around.
half Mexican, right?
At his mama's for the weekend, I'm all in.
Look like a no life Creek.
Besides this,
Straight Creek Goofy. Oh yeah, he weirdo. Big weirdo vibes.
Hey.
Oh my god, plug on my laptop.
hey, Bill. What you doing?
Oh, nothing. Just
She from a movie too.
trying to
I
get
don't
buzz
know.
on, but I can't. Too buff. Got too much muscle mass. I don't know what
Oh, really? Oh, congratulations, by the way.
it is. Thank you.
Yeah, on the promotion.
Thank you.
Bro, if y'all know like any scary movies, anything to react to, let me know, comment below or something, bro. Cause I react to whatever. I'm a big horror movie fan. Big horror movie fan.
It's kind of chilly tonight.
Yeah.
So drop a comment below the movies I should watch and shit. Big horror movie fan. Shit, you gonna shoot your shot?
It's probably
Damn, she blocked that nigga.
countdown almost.
Right. Yeah, I think Jack.
She swatted his ass.
That'll be interesting.
Giannis his shit.
I would like to introduce Mayor Jack McCready.
He drunk. And he ain't tipsy, he drunk, bro.
Thank you.
Cheese and crackers.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Nasty ass. Cheese and crackers. Nasty ass snack.
he came unto Adam, and he said that man should have dominion over the fish of the sea,
Oh shit, he about
over
to.
the birds of the
She
air,
about to hit the fan. She about to go hit the fan.
and over
I can
every
feel it.
living thing that moveth
That baby
upon
out.
the earth. Now, I believe when God said that, he was thinking of deer season and Wheelsy and how much damn fun it is to shoot a buck or two.
You did, dude. Boy, they about to get done. She about to get busy. They about to get it.
Are you ready? Yeah.
Oh, it's New Year's Eve. Boy, they about to get busy with the fucking baby right there.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Grant.
Let the hunt begin.
Grant. What is it?
I'm gonna shine up my boots. I'm gonna go into town. I'm gonna scrape up $20. I'm gonna throw it around. I'm gonna buy me a dance first lovely lady that I see. When our dance is through, I'll say, will you marry me? I'm gonna shine up my boots. I'm gonna go.
When I said this movie was wild, I was not expecting this shit. I don't even know what to say. I felt that shit.
shine up my boots. I'm gonna go in.
What? He's getting this woman pregnant. He is putting her eggs in her on some alien shit. I was not expecting this at all, bro. I should have knew something like this was gonna happen.
I'm gonna throw it around. I'm gonna buy me a dance. First lovely lady that I see. When our dance is through, I'll say, will you marry me? I'm gonna shine up my boots. I'm gonna go into town. I'm gonna scrape up $20. But I'll probably just drink it down.
I ain't got nothing to say. That shit took the words out of my mouth. Like and subscribe to join Retro Mafia. Comment videos I should react to. And it's your boy Retro, and I'ma holla at y'all later.